Hello. Welcome back to the video. This is a short day in my life, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna go to work. Pero it's like short schedule. So I'm only working a 5-hour shift today. So I'm taking you on my day. So I woke up. It's 10, about to be 10:30. And I already woke up twice to take Coco out. Hello. Vente. Oh. I already woke up twice to take him out. I'm kind of hungry. So creo que me voy a hacer unos waffles. And then, come on, baby. So my cousin called me. That's why I got cut off. But my voice is kind of like ronca because of the air. But that's okay. Okay. Well, ahorita vamos a ver qué hacemos. Look at the airplane. Oh shit. I don't know where it's at. I don't know if está de caña. Never mind. Right now, I'm gonna journal. This is my second day. It's like a little Fitspiration journal. And it's really cute. Of course, it's at Target. And you just write what you're grateful for. My goal, one thing I appreciate. You rate your day. I'm gonna do these two because these are more for in the morning. Then you just write your thoughts here and then a little quote or whatever inspires you. And it's really cute and it's from Target. So yes, he is all the time, so you can be recording your days. Period. I'm on my 15 minutes. Belly. That's my sissy right there. Hi, Belly. She brought lunch for herself. Huh? ¿A qué horas entras? 3 y sales a las 9:30. I have a short day. If you enter a las 12 y salgo a las 5.
What time do you go back in?
Right now.
Oh.
I was supposed to go because salí a las 12:57. But I'm like, you know what? 1:15. And I'm like, yes, ya van a ser las 1. So might as well 1:15. Period. So ya voy a ir a tragar y yo me voy a ir a trabajar.
I'm so hungry.
Because it's 1:15. Really? Girl, you should have ate. Okay. Bye. Ya salí del trabajo. Period. As I should. I'm gonna eat some Taco Bell. We just saw su stalker. Right, Billy? Y apenas íbamos a ir a comer. So, ya son las 5:40.
Yeah.
So, yo salí a las 5. And she has break. So, we're gonna go get some Taco Bell. Y miramos a su stalker. As soon as he was going into the store where she works at. Y nosotros nos veníamos.
It was a sign
Yep.
for me to leave.
That's so true. Como no vino antes. I'm I know. Okay. You said chorro time. No, I'm just kidding. but not for me. 35. Apenas salí. Hi, Daddy.
Bueno, y esta noche solo pensaba en mi compa Adán Colmenero. No
I
empató.
just got home. Well, a las 8:15. Well, 8:12. Oh, did y'all see that? I don't know if I went to the gym today. I should probably go, but I'm tired. And I need to do like pack maybe for Dallas. I'm going to Dallas over the weekend. So I need to do that. And maybe it's gonna be like a 2-day vlog. Who knows? Because tomorrow I work a 5-hour shift, but I get off I go from 3 to 8, which is in the night. But I was gonna have more time to do something today. But it's 8 p.m. so my day went at the mall, literally. So I don't know. So you see that because of the air. Today I go to Dallas. I leave like at 5:30, and it's 11. And did I do anything the last couple of days once I got back from work? Before I left work? Como dije, no. So this is 2 days later after what I recorded. I don't even know si lo voy a poner or not, but I have a lot of things to do. I have to do my makeup. I have to pack. I might wash out some of these brushes if I get time. I need to obviously take a shower, get ready, clean my room. All of this before 5:30, which doesn't seem bad because like I don't know, but you know. But yeah, it's still like a lot, you know, but not really because I kind of I procrastinate a little. So yeah, my phone, I need to charge it. So I think I'm gonna start doing some things and I'm gonna charge it. So. Oh, I need to go to Target and look at this mascara. I need to go to Target and Sephora. So peace. I also bought this. I don't know, like todo lo que tengo. This is not even mine, this is Telly's. So bought this. Now my brace is leaking on the bottom. I bought this to organize all of this. I finally bought a gouache wall. So yeah, I'm gonna organize and we're gonna switch out my makeup products. These are the makeup products I have, and then I'm just gonna switch them out for some. Like my sister gave me this. Well, she didn't want it, and I took it from her. And then her. Oh. She was watching James Charles. I stole her laptop. Because mine doesn't work. Mine's right here. And then, yeah. I have like a contour, a new blush that I'm gonna switch out. I bought this primer. I already had this when it first came out, like 2 years ago, I think, and it's really good. So I recommend it. So yeah, this is how my mess looks, but it's gonna get better. So yes. Hey besties, ya terminé esto. It's not closing, but I think I'm not gonna put that in there. And then I'm just gonna leave it here. And you know, if it's so many things, I'm taking this one because it's just a small trip. I'm not taking my other big one. Mascara. I don't know where I left my mascara. Oh, and my eyelash curler. I think I'm just gonna take one of my sister's mascara, to be honest. Oh, son de estas. Maybe this one. I have like a lot of Mexico mascaras. Son estas. And these are like, I guess, high-end. Well, es esta that my sister gave me. So I don't really buy mascaras. Nomás in the Sky High. I bought my third bottle of that mascara and I lost it. What the fuck? So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Okay, whatever. Oh, look, I got these earrings, the Poop Bar. Well, the other one's not. And they're so cute. I also have another one que tienen como la vaca. And they're so cute. So go get y'all some earrings from Poop Bar. Bye. So this is what I'm gonna take. These are my 2 pajamas. I'm only staying there 3 days. Well, nos vamos hoy. We get there today, Sunday, and then we leave Monday. So we leave Monday morning, you know. So these are good, 2 pajamas. Then I'm forgetting chonies and bras, and then and shorts too. So this is probably like my going home outfit, like one of these 2, and then me going to Dallas. I'll probably take this one today, and then this one, or I don't know, it depends. And then I'm taking this one. It's the Wrangler. It's the what's it called? Poop Barn, I think. It's super cute. It's the other Ross. This one's a Turner Bruce. It says a Target because necesito una chill shirt, you know. Esta es the Ross. You can see. Esta es una nueva that I got. Que es de, it looks like this. It's the Q. So I'm taking these flare jeans, the Camenders. And no sé qué más, to be honest. Some chores, obviously. And that's pretty much it. And yeah, some like lounge shorts. Wait, what? Oh, I got the wrong ones. Okay, doesn't matter. I'm still taking this one, against the Poop Barn, because you need like, you know, necesitas saber cuál te quieres llevar. Necesitas options. Y de estos, I'm gonna take unos chores. I think it's on estos. I know from the pockets, yes. I'm gonna take these shorts. They're so cute. Son de Poop Barn. And they're really cute. Es de la marca Cheyenne. And then I'm just gonna take like sweatpants shorts. Yeah, see. So like stuff like this. And that's pretty much it. Me packing. He puts my shoes, obviously. I don't know if she, oh my god, what happened there? I don't know, but whatever. I'm gonna pick out some shoes. Okay, so I finished. Well, I still need some like, ¿cómo se llama? Intimate, like 20, please. My jeans. I have my pair of shorts. These 2 whatever tops, pajamas, más tops, and then these like whatever bottoms, and yeah, bottoms. So as you can tell, I just got out of the shower. Lo voy a cambiar, okay? Whoop. There you go. That's the mascara. And ¿cómo se llama? Look at all my lunares and little pimples I have. I'm breaking out. But me he comido. It's like 2. It's gonna be backwards. Just kidding. 6:33. Estoy aquí en el carro. Y esas son las maletas. There's so much maletas. It's crazy. You know, this is a weekend trip. But estamos en Houston. It's like a 5-hour trip, so look, y ese chico. Just kidding. Ando haciendo like, I don't know. la canción. No, era. So yeah, ya nos vamos a ir a Dallas. This is part 1. Part 2, sabe cuando lo suba. Or if I record. Because I'm shy. But thanks so much. Oh, thanks for subscribing. Nunca digo. I do say it, but like not as much as I should. Thank you, though. Period. Yes, I have 38 subscribers. I woke up today. 38. So thank you. Bye. I'm gonna edit this. A ver qué pasa, because I don't even know what I've been recording this whole few days. So who knows? Bye.